to go from this to this. Oh yes. Oh my goodness. It looks so good. What's up, y'all? So you see the foundation I already done. My natural hair is braided up into all of my sections. And yes, I'm back to do more miracle knots. Let me tell you, if a company send me this feather crochet hair, you better believe that I will be doing miracle knots because they're too easy and they're so convenient. Let's get into it. So I have 4 of these bundles right here. Oh my god, y'all, I love doing boho braids with a kinky texture like this. It just looks so good. It's so versatile because one minute it will look like you having braids and the next minute you're looking like, wait, is that her natural hair? I just love it. I love it. So I have my latch hook here, and if you do not have a latch hook, you can use a beater. Just push your beater through, grab it with your hair and pull it back through. Boom, you have it. Starting at the top at the root of the braid, like I said, I will be crocheting in 3 pieces of hair. 1 at the root, 1 in the middle, and 1 at the end of the braid. I will take my latch hook and put it about here so that way I can braid the rest of the hair down. And let's just pull one side through. So here it's right in the middle. And then I will just take the hair and braid that down. Let's split this up real quick because I'm running out of my little short hair. By doing so will make this look more professional as well as make it a true protective style by sealing all of our hair away. And here's the first braid. And look how much hair that is on just 1 braid. It makes me feel like, do I only need to use 2? But then there would be such a big gap. But there's 1. And make sure you keep watching to the end of the video because I will show you how to remove this hair. But spoiler alert, all I would do is just unravel my braid. That's it. Starting from the bottom, taking it loose, and as I work my way up, they easily come out. That's it. We're not doing any more, any less. Because the last thing I will try to do is pull this thin string back through that braid that also has like this little plastic piece right there. Absolutely not. You will struggle, you will get frustrated, and I'm just not doing it. Unravel the braid and keep it moving. Now you seen at first I took my latch hook and I crocheted the hair on. You can do it that way, or you know how to add it, you can just bring it underneath and do your braid. That's all to it. There's 2 different methods that you can use to add the hair at the end. Let me split this hair just a little bit so I can continue to braid down. And that's it. Whichever one is easier for you. A lot of people love this style because it's easy to achieve. Like, who can't crochet some hair in? A lot of people choose to do this style because they can't braid. And if you can't braid how I just attached this hair on, then you can easily crochet the hair on. Let's see what time it is because, baby, some of the videos I was watching, the girls said that they was done crocheting their hair in 2 hours. Last time it took me 5. I'm trying to see, what did I do wrong? Where did I go wrong? I only have 57 sections. So what's up? So right now it is 4:29. I will try not to take too many breaks. Let's see how long it takes me to do this one section. That means this one section should be done in 30 minutes. 30 minutes? That's a lot of hair. 6 braids. It's been 15 minutes for me to do 6 braids. Whoa. Okay, so this one section, 39 minutes. Not too bad. Okay, so another common question I was getting was, could you use regular crochet hair? You know, basically synthetic hair from the beauty supply store. And the answer is, of course you can. Now, I have a few suggestions if you do decide to go that route. One is to use smaller sections of hair because when the hair is synthetic, it's a lot more dense than human hair. So you want to make sure you're not adding too much hair on one braid, which leads to the next suggestion that Personally, I feel like if you use synthetic hair, you should use 2 different lengths. But if not, you know, just go through and tease your hair to get some layers into it so that it's not just all one length. So definitely leave me a comment below if you would like for me to try miracle knots but with crochet hair, and I can get that done. But I want to see what y'all think first, if it's worth it or you know what. All right, so this section is all done and it's been 1 hour and 18 minutes. I'm purposely trying to fly through this, so doing pretty good. This hat is thick, honey. All right, where we at? 1 hour and 55 minutes. So here's this section. One more section to go past my 2 hours, but it's not 5 like last time. I don't know what I was doing. Maybe I was talking. Maybe I was really taking my time. This time I haven't gotten up. I got up to put some fish in the oven so that after this is done, I can eat my baked fish. Be back. All right, so really quick, 2 hours and 16 minutes. I only have 6 braids left. I'm ready to start on my 4th bundle. Okay, finishing up my last braid here. Hallelujah. This section is all complete. And it is, 2 hours and 29 minutes. Stop, you ho. 2 hours and 30 minutes. Yeah. I was on a roll too. If you love big hair, this one is for you. Honestly, with this texture, you can do so many different looks. This hair with flexi rods will be gorgeous. Okay, so again, this is 3.5 packs of hair. I have 57 braids. A side profile. Wow. Can I even put it in a ponytail? Why, yes, I can. Oh my God, look at all this hair. Yeah, definitely will be defining this hair. All of this hair braided in just 2.5 hours. Wow. I'm going to section it the way that I'm going to define my curls. So basically 3 sections on each side. And this is just water. And I'm sure as time go on, I will not have to wet my hair as much. You know, just the first time detangling the curls, I want to get it fully saturated. I'm getting a little shedding, but that's pretty expected, honestly, with this type of hair. And then I have some of this wrapping mousse. I'm not a big fan of adding a lot of product to my curly hair, but I feel like we need a little product on here. Curls are coming through, and then once they dry, they'll be pretty nice. Oh yes. Okay, so this is what we have here. That looks super good. I'll try not to touch it while it dries. Switch that to the back. Yes! Baby, let me tell you, I've been sleeping on this. I'll leave the link down below, but look how well it is defining my curls. Some of the ones in the front at the top, I am just going through and separately pulling them apart so to be, you know, like really defined. Wow. I mean, look at that. I mean, the difference that water makes, the difference between defining your curls and not. Like, it's a must to add some type of liquid to your hair. Unless you want to go for this, you can definitely go for the fro look. And then I'm going to show you the difference between when I just use water and when I add the product. Hold on. The front piece, I got to separate this twice. Like, here's the hair dry. And then all I will do is just finger comb my hair. And y'all see how rough I am being, but none of the braids or pieces of hair is coming out. Okay, so this is how it looks with water only. It looked good like this, but the curls aren't defined like this. So let's do that by just adding some wrap mousse. And then finger comb, finger detangle, and you can instantly see the curls coming through. And this is how it look with product. Okay, now let's swing that to the back and do the last section. Baby, my hair is so cute. I was not expecting the curls to come out like this. Like, I'm not even gonna hold you. Last night when my hair was out here, I was like, but it's a trust the process moment. Oh my goodness. It looks so good. Wow. The curls are defined and you can see the curls defined. I think it just looks so good. I'm in love. Partially wet. Look at the curls. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, what? To go from this to this? In 2.5 hours? Really? Yeah. All right, here's my hair dry. It is gorgeous. It's so lovely. Love it. I don't want to mess it up because I'm ready to go out, but yeah. All right, so I'm taking my hair out. I have one braid left to show you guys. It's fairly simple. As stated before, I inserted 3 pieces of hair, one at the root, one in the middle, and one braided onto the end. And all we're going to do is unravel the braid. So here's the first piece. I make sure I take it completely loose to where it's opened up. And then I'll sit it over to the side with the rest of the hair from that section. And again, as we all know, that this is human hair, so I will wash it, let it air dry, and store it for next time. Okay, so this second piece of hair comes out fairly easy. Like that. Boom. The ones braided on the end, they come out fairly easy as well. So now we're getting up to the top. I'll just take my wet tail comb to help me pull it apart. Okay, so the braid is actually a loose. However, the hair is stuck on this section of hair over here. So what I do is just ever so softly pull my hair apart until it comes out like that. And there. I think next time when I go to use this type of hair, because for one, it's so thick and it's so much hair that I don't have to take it all the way to the root. So next time what I would do is crochet it about this much from the root so that I don't have to pull it apart how I did. And it'll be easier how it was when I removed the middle section. Now, some of the areas when I did take it loose, it would basically be knotted onto my hair. So I would have to like just kind of really shimmy it out of there. And I'm not gonna lie, sometimes there would be like a little piece of my hair knotted up in the middle. This one, it came out pretty smooth and clean. Sometimes you don't get that. Let's see if I can find one. No, not in this batch. Like just section some of them off in rubber bands. So I have 3 sections right here. And I will wash them, let them air dry, and that'll be it. All right, you guys. That's it. I have everything out. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this look. Have you tried this style out? If not, will you give it a try? All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.